How about some 80s luxury here at Unique Specialty and Classics? This one's a 1985 Oldsmobile Toronado Caliente in saddle tan fire mist. Take a look at this one. Underneath the hood, of course, the 307 Oldsmobile V8. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC was in on, but wanted to announce that. Take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Toronado grille. You can see a more modern headlight system put into this with the more high intensity headlights. Take your time looking at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the interior, undersides, as far as the whole underside of this car. Definitely pay attention to those. This thing is very solid underneath there, the floor pans, what have you. You'll see what I'm talking about when you take a look. Engine bay trunk. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Riding on the steel wheels with Oldsmobile wire wheel covers. That requires a tool to remove. That tool is in the glove box. You're going to be able to see that in the still pictures. As well as the manual tool for opening and closing the power sunroof. You're not going to need that though right now. The power sunroof working just fine. You can see the paint shows well on this one. Would I say it's perfect? No, there's a little ding here or there, but overall, paint has a nice shine to it, as you can see. We'll get around to the driver's side and I'll point out a couple things I did notice over there. Now, as far as the interior, Caliente interior would have the sheepskin seats, I do believe. So, and as you can see, it does, there's some spots where it has been coming off. As far as the rear seats, extremely nice shape. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior. Very stock looking interior. Mentioned the power sunroof, and of course the matching Landau vinyl roof. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see solid above the wheel wells. Filler panels up front were there. How about in the back? Looking good here too. Chrome in the rear bumper. And again, you'll be able to see all of this in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you're into these 80s classics, which are becoming more and more popular, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles that are in them can be purchased online or right off our showroom floor. Couple little spots wanted to point out over here, and that's really pretty minute, just one little chip in the paint. You saw that kind of little dinger back by the door. But overall, be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Again, nice shine to the paint. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I have had the AM/FM cassette player working as far as the radio goes. This one is power seats, both sides. Armrest, nice shape. Of course, the Toronado from Oldsmobile would have been a top-of-the-line coupe back in the mid-80s. And here you can see where that sheepskin has worn off. Rear seats are very nice. Tilt column, cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Odometer reads 127,966. Believed to be original miles. Carfax is clean and shows well maintained too. So this thing runs beautifully. You could hear the radio working when I started it up. Top of the dash. No cracks, no fading, sun checking. Wow. This one must have been stored indoors, no doubt about that. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. We're just indoors. It's telling me to turn my lights on. 307 runs smooth. Let's turn those lights on once. We'll check out the brightness of them. Yes, much more modern as far as how bright those lights are. And well, try to hear this one. It runs pretty smooth and quiet. All right, I'm going to need to pop the hood so we can check out the engine bay. If you stick around to the very end of this video, we'll take this car for a drive. So that door closes nicely, doesn't take much. Take this car for a drive. Jason will show you how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Give me a second. I want to get this hood popped open. We'll check out the engine bay and wrap up this walk around. Hood liner. And here we go. Pretty stock looking engine bay. And you can see just lack of corrosion. There's really nothing that I notice in here as far as showing much of its age. Engine bay, nice condition. Smooth runner also. And again, 307, or what, 5 liter in Oldsmobile's terms. There you go, some 80s luxury. 1985 Oldsmobile Caliente. I believe it was one of 7,342 Caliente is made. Saddle tan fire mist. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1985 Oldsmobile Toronado. Plush seats with cloth inserts. I would call this a split bench. Very comfortable split bench. Digital dash. For a 1985 digital dash, kind of one of the premieres of the digital dash. Telling me it's 76 degrees in the cab. I have air blowing. It's blowing cooler than the outside air. I wouldn't say cold. Digital 55 miles an hour on our speedometer. Fuel gauge also a little over 3/4 on the digital readout. Engine temperature almost half, which is also good. Factory stereo sounds good. Sometimes you want to just keep listening. Now, I don't know that all the speakers work, but the radio is blasting out of some speakers very well. Cruise control also functions on this car. Multi-position, power adjustable driver's seat, all positions working. If I didn't already mention it, the wipers are working on this car. Corners as a luxurious Oldsmobile should. A little bit leany in the corners. That makes for a nice luxurious ride. Over our head we have a sunroof, a power opening glass roof that does work just as it should. Two-door luxury Oldsmobile from 1985. Learn more about this car and see all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.